Hello everyone, welcome to Laura's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious chicken thupka. So this came out really well. Do definitely try out this recipe and let's get started and check out the recipe now. So boil some water, add salt, add some oil, then add some noodles and boil it for some time, and cut some boneless chicken and some garlic, some ginger, some green chilies and some onions. And once the noodles boil properly, strain it and wash it in cold water and keep it aside. Take oil 3 to 4 teaspoons, add the ginger, garlic and green chilies, cook for 2 minutes in high flame. Add the chicken pieces. So these chickens are very soft, so they get cooked very quickly. Add some salt, cook it in medium flame for 5 minutes. Now add the onion 1/4 cup, add 1 tomato and then cook for 2 minutes in medium flame till tomato gets soft. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and pepper powder 1/2 teaspoon and red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon and some garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Now mix everything well. Add some shredded cabbage, some carrot, you can also add some capsicum if you have. Then cook them for 1 minute, do not overcook it. This should stay crunchy. Now add coriander 1/4 cup, some salt as per required. Then add water 2.5 cup and let it get boiled for 2 minutes. So once you see it's getting boiled properly, then you can just switch up the flame, add lemon juice 2 teaspoons and let it rest for 10 minutes and then serve it. So first take the noodles in a bowl and then on top of that add the soup. So this you should definitely try if you are having a winter climate. You will be really loving this recipe. This is really awesome in taste, and garnish with some coriander and enjoy the hot chicken noodle soup or chicken thupka. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.